Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofreme adwoa searching
NPP for no yesremo abufo bi o bia mu no yesremo mo fa ncha mo ho aw kwan a mahama ebu man no man no say no eti yesremo NPP panfo nyina mo yenka bom na obi aboni bi obi aye obi a mo fa nche na mo nka mo mom se ekuo baako na mo magi akonwa no fa nhwe Ghana because kuna mo ba Ghana enije ba Ghana hwe opon Russia Ukraine war ni COVID ba nyina Kufuor bu man ni che mahama we koko bu a yate so world market prambo e na o mate koko so yo na to every ankosi 2028 na Ghana for na yewu eti misra MPP mpanfo nyina mo ka mo humom nya kuo baako we America say another policy say about first one national health insurance, second one free education, but we also the third policy ba so I want yesra mo mpanfo nyina mo ka mo humom na mo magi akonwa no na mo magi akonwa no wa Ghana for na Ghana for hia for na yaye mo bododo yaye ma me ne papa ni sika na yaye mo bo mahama nsam
yesra so this useless NDC government epeso almost scam Ghana for bi mu wadi almost 24-hour economy frakadam no samahu video ya etwagui mahama call B5 Plus Company Limited our manufacture steel ekotwa cake mu na enuanom ne adofo sa company we it has been there since 2021. In fact President Kufuor and a commission this project in 2021 under one district one factory na sika ye di shame a ye di be a company no in 2021 was $80 million ene company no ye adwuma gidi and this 4% of modal Ghana for nti mahama akwa akoto cake kese e di akwa akosi wo etwam e de dada Ghana for say almost 24-hour economy no asha ase Kufuor a bono wo commission company na nkasa $80 million ono kra no wan kwa nkotwa cake mu but mahama na opeso odi CV Ghana for atam ayi ministers ni chese kotwa cake akese e wo ho to deceive Ghanaians kazimu esre che sa B5 company under one district one factory ye mo tax incentives NDC for ensem a omo kafa ho e wo parliament atofo sen no ne amakofi boadom nkwase asem omo kafa ho na nya asem ketwa ene omo di mirika akọ no ma omo kwa akoda Ghana for say 24-hour economy ebe koso ho no meanwhile this company since your commission ye omo ye adwuma 24/7 omo ye adwuma 24/7 enye NDC then the 24-hour economy ko ho no. And the last thing that I want to say, a brand company where they buy under one district one factory. You catch almost say I created thousands of jobs. And this is for see a boy. And ama kofi boy. And I can say B5 do. I created thousands of jobs. When this is for this guys no cracker as a woman. These guys can never be trusted. And almost 24-hour economy no. Omu use one district one factories in a day. Nyame na etua moka.
Aye den juice na nya papa, juice na jimi anya. Enu nti se wo ye obi a wo kon dokote bone te se de oba ewusi meri ewusi. Wo ba ye wode no from enkwada grade. Wo se de oye CEO nti on pay 40 men ayi said 40-year-old men view or pay young boys. Ni mo judge ne charge ne nyansa ensen eni ni trim ena odi kotefon into watena wa na mfiflete ne kakra na aba ne muso nko kan kwase asem keke kotebo ni die no de ba no de bia mu ko school a mo maame ne mo papa no mo kire mo usi so afa ba pa fa be mapa ye tu no fo no no see o yaya no oh girl the girl on the block Iti or the girl on the block sa kwasi akeka sa wentumi anye serious say nye kunu papa bi antena ho ambobra enti sa de a ene no yehunu say obe ne mu na ye papa ye nkotu ye ni emfensi ne so ai nanka wo ye oba wo support oba nanka mpo per their own stupid mentality na so me If Samira is controlling NPP, so what? Is she not a woman? Shouldn't that even make you proud? Say, such a great party like NPP is now being controlled by a woman. If indeed women are supposed to support women. Kwasia way, or Bafun way, or Bayana Asama Kotu or baby, no, I got to tell Rob the Ashen and Yase, Ebby Mimi and as I said, before no be woo. The women and women abuse, but you are here busily abusing your fellow woman. Missy we no me Janet the Nama man, a man who should deal with her when it comes to the Monkon Chacha channel. Me, I just want to talk about her mental capacity to even make such statements. Samira is dangerous. Or is dangerous because on a more near grow. On a kwasiafo on your then nante. And to be dangerous amount. Or you're dangerous because or no a woman or what Ghana where to me either are running a political campaign. Amana successful and very, very fruitful. Into definitely she's dangerous. Samira is dangerous because Sebio Samira or no beer why no area mama. They said the amumu area mama and then the musi sebi mukunum emoja ajene. And they say young girls and young boys yabba and amoni omobeda. Omoja ajene. And then when I should have control muti or to eternity or a lesbian, not the name, or woman you supi for man on when supi man who na no uno. Nankawo, why is a brother yeast uncle ye? Oh, etin chim sa chomo, etumia kwejina mama the pancake abubo wenim, kabeka sem na yentia Samira is dangerous. Now, if you want the second part of it, me throw the entia Mary Ewusi, CEO of Free Zone. Oni munyansa na okasa te said dia sebio baba subia kanu eno ane bebe odire mo de kan kwasi asem muntie no wa say mama. Why is Samira dangerous? Because Samira is controlling NPP. Yanko Samira is not part of NPP leadership. On kan yanko tie ni bio
Bawumia des what wo Samira Bawumia wo ye oba Ghana ni ba meka che Ghana for say yenhwe Samira Bawumia yi.
Oh yes,
won hwe kwan fa so odi ko bubu obi dan gu ye even
yo so meka kire o say NDC for one ye party bi a ohun hwe se o te Ghana Mrs. Adu mi nyai kan o Ghana pa na ye wadwene say NDC a political party kura adwene bi e de besa Ghana shebra unim nyansa very simple or say Samira ko bubu obi dan egu mebo a wo a wutie wo Ghana biara mama yanka nokre ta edan ane esi abubu egu no me pa cho e ho nokre mae me pa cho nokre ne baaye no Samira di wo amode ye campaign o ena Samira ko bubu obi dan egu wo mo ba ba mu 2025 ena sa nokre ne be ye den ebeda adie adentia the building in effect nankasa no has nothing to do with Hajia Samira Bawumia. Prekobi a your friend Alex Tete. Prekobi no di Canadian Japan wechi. Prekobi. Eso be dina ho and obe prove da ya man a microphone. E man so on kasa on prove the kire say Samira and ama order na yakobubu obi dan one family no wentumi improve. Tieni pa. Was Samira na ekobubu obi dan egu eno the entia Samira ye dangerous no kwan of far so di bubu obi dan egu ye me sa court document and I have all of it here. Kennedy Japan papa na oyi ne dan ba akodema Kennedy Japan no wo 227 houses no say on fanya campaign office no ono na opes wo use ni sika ne Kennedy Japan ana oni mama ye hwe ye hu yi ye ntumi fa clerical enko santokwe ya ye queen. We are going to fail. Obiba now bekasem na sister Ellen, I'm glad you are here. Sa die we de bia ye kan na ye de anu abrobro so na ye jai na ye de anu abrobro so enu ntia ma preko bia sorry a na wa fa nipa no de next simpie so na de enim na ye keka se ye ho so na sabe just to destroy people. It's about time when the campaign of Samira, the campaign of Bawumia himself need to start knowing. Say there are certain things you need to take action. Certain people need to be used as an example. Fayo. Haja Samira, if you are listening to me, mommy, now you have to be the bigger person. Forget being the bigger person when you are being killed. Being the bigger person, that is soiling you, that is destroying you, that is not being the bigger person. Because you be the bigger person, and the lies they told about you and the nasty things they said about you is going to stick in somebody's brain. Muwe busiem. Se Haja Samira nentuminye, se Nikulu nentuminye. You people have family. Don't be a next Nanado family. Don't be Dankwa family. Sa family no, Oforiata family no. Don't be that family. That family can't fight. They don't fight. And that is why, regardless of the work His Excellency Nanado Beye, we still want to paint him say he's the worst president we have ever had because Yakan Samutun Eswa, Yenko Yano, Yanchi Obiason Fahon. Your Excellency, Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, if your family members are listening, don't be a Nanado family. That is a family that does not fight. You can say all you want to say about them, and they will still be in their suit and tie and sit in one side. That is what works for them. Because in question, someone you can find Nanado home. And your Mabonia, you did Nanado. Sanki you to me chamber, Kukra, Kwasiabi, the Nijina court to China. So you to me Chiabu, the Nijina magistrate court to cram and you could them 1 week. And can you say, Nanado, a ding, your person, your titin, the sand of crave free.
Papa no te krasi ye kokofo ba no osi da okumase sabro no amebo boso yi ele kokofo ntimi nsi dan obekokra ba bi omote anya asem anya de ketwa efri 1992 eba NPP ni NDC play the minds of cocoa farmers yeah yesusu na model of funding ye di to cocoa ye banks form consortium local banks form consortium. September be next cameron backroom. As I make obiani, yes, cocoa scaba. And I'm more pecron abunti. Obia no yakotwa the amano was a mecon aquajabo salam the cocoa na collateralizing. A dear business idea pan and penful women. Say a quadri syndicated loan. Na do auto cocoa no, what is that? The almost a check and a phone say to say me about we. Now why a friend was one and our call Obama was say, Minia, or some worry into Warame. No family at the open. Wabra, you bet my races can will chroma. A friend of mamma Bacate say, a reform so more, a reform so no, ye babe a local bonds. And the I mean, and you way now, what shut down my said cocoa industry. Okay? Send this for man, say, as some way, I created a scar in the minds and the hearts of the cocoa farmers. So be a quadrabosia say me koto me ko menya 3,000 something. Ama eniparo what you cocoa for cry collateral. So nim a busia cocoa for bubono underground your friend about out. Come on tra and kaha and yet dia more yano e be empimanim e be empemians a 3 force. Yeah. Easy jiboka. No mama will say Yamfa 1 CD and 2